Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cancel your Amazon Music Unlimited subscription. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is go to your account at the top, and if you look at the bottom left you should see Digital Services and Device Support, so you want to click on that. Once you're on here you should see Amazon Music at the bottom left, so click on that. And then underneath popular articles you should see cancel Amazon Music Unlimited, so you want to click on there. Once you're on here you should see go to your Amazon Music settings, so click on that. And then this should bring up your Amazon Music Unlimited account. And then underneath subscription renewal you should see cancel subscription, so click on that. And it'll give you two options. You can either have a reminder email 3 days before your renewal date, or you can go straight through to cancel subscription. So if you're happy to do that, click on there. And then you can continue to cancel. Obviously it'll give you the option to keep my subscription. Obviously you want to continue to cancel. Then it'll give you a few options. You can switch the plan. You could also pause the plan if you wish to do so. And then you can confirm cancellation. So you want to click on there. And then it'll just let you know your Amazon Music Unlimited subscription has been cancelled. Thanks for watching.